Can you imagine if there were Legos back in biblical times? The story might go something like this. Pharaoh made the Israelites build pyramids with broken Legos. Moses said to Pharaoh, "Lego my people. Everybody, go fast. Gotta get out of here before Pharaoh changes his mind. Come on. I can't go until you go." Is that everybody? No, there's more. Wait a minute. Oh, where's the sheep? Okay, now I can go. Moses led the Israelites through the desert. Why? Where is everybody? There's not so many people. Moses received the 10 Commandments. And as you can see here, there's 10 Legos, one for each commandment. Moses received the 10 Commandments on tablets. Now, the Hebrew word for tablets is luach. You can see it over there on Deuteronomy 14:3, right? Now, this is how the modern word Lego may have emerged. Maybe, could be. You never know. It's a theory. And maybe Israeli mothers might have taught the Hebrew language to their children using Legos. And perhaps, to stretch it further, in 1947, a shepherdess was looking for a lost sheep. And she found the ancient Legos in one of the caves. And when she grew up, got married, had kids, gained weight, she taught Hebrew to her children. And what did she use? She used the Hebrew Legos that she found in the cave. And these might have been known as the Dead Sea Legos. What we do know for sure about Legos is that they can help you learn biblical Hebrew using English? Really? Yep, Ivrit teaches you Hebrew with Legos, but in English. Ivrit uses Hebrew scriptures that you know using English. In other words, okay, the scriptures were originally in Hebrew, but you speak English, so we use the Hebrew scriptures, but written in English. You'll see. And you actually learn Hebrew with English sentences. This is really amazing. Now, how does this happen? Well, to find out how learning Hebrew with Legos works, you're going to have to Google Udemy and learn Hebrew with Legos. Then you'll find out. Okay, I'll see you there.